What brings us all together is our native language. As an envoy, how we can promote and preserve the use of anonymous wine or Picapatan language. You want me to read it? Here we go. Please take the Picapatan reveals a lot about the character of its people, the Picapatas. What brings us all together is our native language. As an envoy, how much we will promote and preserve the use of anonymous wine or Picapatan language.
I can promote the use of anonymous wine by using it myself. Because you know, anonymous one is a native language who is rich and who is well preserved, but is not widely used. So if I'm going with Mugyan Kapampangan, or I'm a lady who can embody Mugyan Kapampangan ambassador, who can be an ambassadress, who can promote the Kapampangan language, I will embody it myself. I will use it, and the word of mouth, I believe, is the most effective tool to inspire and to get other people to use your own language also. And of course, the use of social media is a powerful tool also to spread our beautiful language so we can enrich our culture, our history, and of course, our language. That would be all, and thank you so much.
By the way, let me ask the permission of the judges. Just take that time. Is it all right if they answer in the vernacular? You just have your neighbor by the demonstration. Kapapan is not using it. They're good for your ears. Kapapan is not using. You may each have a name or wala lagi. Pero hindi. Okay? So that they can easily relate. Okay. If they wish. If not,
Here we go. And the reward is your another question. The history of the Pampanga reveals a lot about the character of its people and their parents. What weaves us all together is our native language. As a young woman, how do you promote and preserve the use of anonymous one or Pampanga language? You want to do it? Alright.
Okay, first of all, I proudly tell everyone that I am proud of Oman. I am proud that I know how to speak in English and I'm fluent in that. However, I would still like to remind people that we have to be proud of what we really have, because the Korean language is something that makes us distinct, that distinguishes us from other
Okay, yun na. Kapunti tayo ng alas 12 para araw na.
Here is your final question. The history of the Pano reveals a lot about the character of these people in our lives. What weaves us all together is our native language. As a young woman, how can you help promote and preserve the use of Angmano Siswani or the Kapampangan language? You want to read? Go.
I can help promote Romano language through being example for other people, through using the language myself and promoting and inspiring other people. I can also use the social media because it's a very powerful medium to disseminate information to other people on how great or how our culture is. And through this, through me being the example, I can help other people, and especially those that Kapampangan language is something to be preserved. Because this is our identity. This is who we are. And if you don't know how to speak Kapampangan, then are Kapampangan. Thank you.
Where are you, my fair lady? Come on down.
You know,